Hello and welcome to today's guide. Want to cash out your crypto from CoinStats to your bank accounts? Well, CoinStats is a portfolio tracker, not a wallet, so I'll show you how to move funds from connected wallets to exchanges to your bank. So guys, CoinStats tracks your crypto across exchanges and wallets but doesn't hold funds. Your money is in the connected exchange, for example, Binance or wallets. Identify where your assets are by checking the portfolio tab in the CoinStats. So as you can see, if I go to my profile, and as you can see, I need to assign a new wallet. I do not have a wallet connected to this service. So you need to log to the exchange or wallets linked to your CoinStats, for example, like Coinbase, sell your crypto to fiat, for example, USD or Euro, whatever you want, then select withdraw to your linked bank account. For wallets like Trust Wallet, send crypto to an exchange, sell it, and withdraw, says Vocal Media. I missed a step once, ensure your bank is linked before selling. Follow the platform's steps, entering your bank's routing and account numbers. After that, you can complete the transfer by confirming the withdrawal in your exchange or wallets. Bank transfers take 1 to 5 days for USD via ACH. Check your bank account and CoinStats' portfolio tab to confirm the balance updates. Also, the fees vary. Coinbase charges 1% for instant, says coinstats.app. Guys, that's pretty much it. Like and subscribe and ring the bell for more crypto tips. See you next time.